Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm your host TJ and today we will be unboxing the Mystic Black Samsung Note 20 Ultra. This is the 5G variant. The left has the text Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. The right side is blank. The bottom has the model and color of the phone. This is the Mystic Black with 256 gigs of storage. Let's get this opened. After removing the top cover, you are greeted with the device. Let's put this aside for now and take a look at the accessories. Part of the package includes a super fast travel charger, the USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C AKG earbuds. Finally, let's take a look at the phone itself. As you can expect, my first impressions of the phone are one of an ultra level. No pun intended. Specs wise, this phone has an Exynos 990 octa-core CPU, 12 gigs of RAM, 250 gigs of storage with support for expandable memory via a micro SD card, 4500 mAh battery. On the display front, we are looking at 6.9 inches, which makes it the largest screen on a Note to date. The screen is a dynamic AMOLED 2X, which means you have the option to select Quad HD Plus at 60Hz or Full HD resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. The 120Hz is part of an adaptive mode, meaning it will automatically scale the refresh rate depending on the task you are performing to save on battery. This phone also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The camera on the front is a 10 megapixel size sensor with autofocus. The phone does have stereo speakers by also utilizing the earpiece as the secondary channel. On the back, you have the triple camera array, which includes a 108 megapixel primary lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, an LED flash, and a laser autofocus. On the left of the phone, you have no buttons. On the bottom, you have access to the S Pen, the speaker, the USB Type-C port, and microphone port. On the right, you have the volume buttons and the power button, which also doubles as the Bixby button. On the top, you have access to the SIM card tray and micro SD card slot. This specific model is dual SIM compatible. All in all, if you are in the market for a high-end Android phone and want the best of the best, I would highly recommend you check out the Note 20 Ultra. With a killer set of cameras, a bright and color-accurate screen once tweaked, and all the S Pen widgetry you have grown to love and enjoy. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Ron for letting me unbox his phone. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below. What are you most looking forward to this year?